I just can't believe it. Got him. Got him! Okay, I got him in just about all the bands except for 80 meters. Remember CW counts as a separate contact. And phone is a separate contact. I guess FM if he's going to be an FM, or he's going to be an FTAW separate contacts. So that is valid. I got him though. Radio, 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 radio. The interesting world of amateur radio. Okay, this video here is uncut, so it's raw. Is this camera moving? Jesus. There you go. Okay, this video is uncut. It's not edited. Except for the captions. Other than that, it's just a raw video. It's a little long, but I'm hoping somebody could learn from my mistakes or learn for what I do right, whatever that is. I make a lot of mistakes, and I got a couple of comments of what I'm doing wrong, which I'm grateful because I do learn. I always got room to learn, no matter how old I am, and I am old. But anyway, here's the video. I hope somebody could learn something from this, and here we go. Okay, we're over here with the Victor Papa 2, Victor India. I don't got him on 15 meters. I got him on 10, 12, 20, 17, 30, and 40. Not on 15 on CW. Not on 15 at all on anything. $1,900 watts. Gonna go to okay, let me see what I can do here. It's a guessing game. They're all over here. That's the pile up over here. This is the pile up over here. This is the pile up over here. He's transmitting right here. Pile up here. Oh, listen to a racket. The yellow marker, that's where I got my transmit. just can't believe it. Got him. Got him! Okay, I got him in just about all the bands except for 80 meters. Remember CW counts as a separate contact, and phone is a separate contact. I guess FM if he's gonna be an FM, or he's gonna be an FTA, that'll be a separate contacts. So that is valid. I got him done. Radio, 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 radio.